Sandara Park, born November 12, 1984, also known mononymously as Dara, is a South Korean singer, actress, and television presenter. She rose to fame in the Philippines as a contestant on the ABS-CBN original talent show Star Circle Quest in 2004, after which she had a successful acting and singing career before returning to South Korea in 2007. She made her Korean debut in 2009 as a member of the K-pop group 2NE1, which became one of the most popular K-pop groups in the world. Park is one of the most recognizable Korean celebrities in the Philippines and is considered a leading figure in the spread of Korean wave into the country. In 2004, Park released her first extended play EP, Sandara, which sold over 100,000 physical copies, making it the only album by a South Korean artist to be certified platinum by the Philippine Association of the Record Industry, PARI. She acted in several Philippine films between 2004 and 2007, including Bacuse of You 2004, for which she won the award for Best New Actress at the 21st PMPC Star Awards for Movies. In 2009, Park released her first Korean single, Kiss, featuring fellow 2NE1 member CL. To anyone's hiatus in 2015 allowed Park to focus on her television career, including co-hosting the South Korean variety show To You Project Sugar Man and appearing as a judge on the Philippine talent show Pinoy Boy Band Superstar. She also acted in several web series, including Dr. Yin 2016, for which she won Best Actress at a Korean web festival. Following 2NE1's disbandment at the end of 2016, Park renewed her contract with YG Entertainment until her contract expiration in May 2021. In September 2021, Abyss Company announced that Park would be joining the agency. In July 2023, she released her first album in South Korea with the digital EP Sandara Park. After 2NE1 reformed in July 2024, Park resumed group activities under YG Entertainment. Sandara Park was born on November 12, 1984 in Busanjan District, Bisib, South Korea. Her unusual three-syllable given name means wise and clever and is based on the childhood nickname of 7th century General Kim Il-sung. She has two siblings, Thunder, who is a former member of K-pop boy group MBLAQ, and a younger sister named Darami. Aside from her native Korean, she is also fluent in Tagalog and English. Park's family moved to Daegu in 1993. However, Park's father was unable to make ends meet, and the family moved to the Philippines in hopes of rebuilding his career in 1994. According to Park, she was initially lonely in the Philippines because she was not fluent in Filipino, the national language, and her pronunciation of the language was not good. She later said she worked hard to correct her pronunciation in hopes of one day becoming a celebrity, which was a dream she had harbored since hearing K-pop boy band Co Taiji and Boys in 1992. Sandara Park is credited as one of the leading figures in the spread of the Korean wave in the Philippines. Park's success in the country sparked a huge interest in Korean music among Filipinos, leading to the spread of Korean culture and a connection with the people of the Philippines. She has been likened to South Korean singer Boa due to the similar success between the two, as Boa was the first Korean artist to break through the Japanese market. She has been dubbed Pambansang Krung Krung, meaning national crazy or unique personality in the Philippines, and her popularity in the region is likened to comedian Yoo Jae-suk's fame in South Korea. In 2025, Park was ranked as the #1 K-pop artist with the most positive impact on Korea's image in the country. In popular culture, Sandara is the icon of baby face amongst celebrities and the public, which is an individual who looks younger than their actual age. Despite being born in the early 80s, Sandara is known to top and beat other competitors in surveys, often with a large gap between their ages, thus earning herself the nickname Vampire for her youthful skin and look. She is noted for having the ideal facial proportions, called the golden ratio by plastic surgeons. Attesting to the quality of her skin, she was described to be a popular choice for both advertisers and consumers who would be drawn to her clear and seemingly poreless face. In 2012, she was announced to be one of the most beautiful women of her time 1980s. Park features some of the most iconic styles in the Korean industry, ranging from her signature tail lilt, eye makeup, to her bold hairstyles and clothing. Labeled a pioneer of unconventional trends, her first appearance in Lollipop sporting her palm tree hairstyle became widely parodied style in 2009 and remains an iconic piece in K-pop. Her 2012 look, for which she had shaved a portion of her trademark locks for the promotional single I Love You, attracted massive media attention and initially garnered mixed reactions, but was nonetheless praised for its shock factor and contradictory styling to the typical girl group look. The style is considered to be her most noteworthy transformation. For more interesting personalities, please do watch our other Who's Who series. Please like, share, and subscribe. Welcome to the amazing world of 1000 vlogs.